can reach your shoulder, and the density is medium density, 100% to 110%. Okay, if you like this one, you can contact us. We will give you a very best price. Now it is on my on our stock. If you like, we can ship it immediately. You can wear it as soon as possible. Okay. Okay, if you like this one, you can contact us. This size is bigger than last system. Okay. This base is also mono with the NPU on round. And on the base has 5 clips, right? Okay, the base size is front to back is 14 centimeters, and ear to ear is 15 centimeters. Front to back is 14 centimeters, and ear to ear is 15 centimeters. Okay, this one is also very breathable. Okay, very suited to wear it in summer. Okay, the color is also light, but the hair length is long. The hair length is about 15 centimeters. You can see, very long. Okay. This wave is also natural wave. Okay. Inside the nose is also small. Very small nose. Okay, very good system. Okay, this density is also medium density, about 110% to 120%. If you like this one, you also can contact us. Okay, we also will give you a very best price. Okay, this one is closer. Is the base is mono with NPU on around. Okay, this one is very breathable, very suited to wear in summer. Okay, and on the base has 5 clips. Using it will be very convenient. Okay, the hair color is also light. You can see very beautiful color. The hair's quality is also good, very smooth, right? Okay. This wave is natural wave, and the hair length is 15 centimeters, very long. Okay. And the inside nose is very small, very perfect system. Very small nose. Okay. This density is medium density, 110% to 120%. Okay. If you like this one, on this one, this base size is big. On this one, PU base closer. On this one, this base size is small. Okay. If you like this 3 system, you can contact us. We will give you very best price. Now they are on in our stock. We can ship it immediately. Okay, and the quality is very good. Okay. Okay, thank you for your watching. Today we will finish our live. See you tomorrow. Bye.